truck for you.
You hear the click. That's the air zone now.
Air?
Yeah. Take a while to get cold.
Okay.
It don't take too long though, just a little bit. You got to get off this on.
Oh, you got just
Mild flour and all that. Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I got for my tires.
Tire gauge.
Tire gauge. I can tell what the pressure is. They don't have an old school like this. That's a time, fuel, oil pressure, voltage, the temperature right here. That's my and it comes out like this is the new dash. Got the RPM and clock built in. I got this one.